This week, I want to talk about how simple it is to get started. Hey, this is Chris. Welcome back to another show. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we'll pop a link to the YouTube channel if you're watching this on Facebook, where many people of you watch. If you subscribe on the YouTube channel, it means that you can go back and watch shows really easy. I know we'll pop up in your notifications on here, but just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Because we do so many different videos on so many different topics, some more to people who are looking to come on board, some when you're already using the software. So it just means that you can have a look around at the various different videos. And someone was telling me recently they watched 60 of them in one go, a complete marathon. And I commend you for that. And it's great to be working with you as well. So this week on the show, we've been jigging things around a little bit here at MOT Manager, and I've been doing some of the initial training with the latest tranche of garages that we've come on board. And because this is such an important task, then I have been making this the single one thing that you focus on when you start using MOT Manager. So let's talk about that on the show this week. So in the last few days, I've been working with a couple of guys who bought a garage, and it's the first time that they've ever actually owned a garage, and they've worked in various different parts of the industry. And one of them said, Chris, what would you say are the top 3 most important things we must be doing from your perspective with MOT Manager? I don't mind sharing all 3, and then we'll hone in on the first one because it's the starting point. So I said that the top 3, if you were to ask me my opinion, is booking everyone in to a digital diary every day, and we provide you with the simplest to use. So book everyone in every day. Secondly, online booking for MOTs. It is so important that you have online booking for MOTs. Even if you do not test on site, we can make this so you only have one available in 3 days' time. So don't get hung up and jump in and say, oh, it wouldn't work for us. We can make it work for you with the online booking. And the third one is sending everyone an MOT reminder. There's never been a more important time to having an automated MOT reminder go out to your customer. And don't forget, with MOT Manager, there is nothing for you to do, provided you do step 1, which brings me on to that. So let's get this up on screen now. Here's our digital diary. Again, don't get hung up if these time slots don't work for your garage. It's just an example, and we can program this however you want. So what we do is we click on an available slot to book someone in. We put in the reg, and again, don't worry if you don't have the reg, you can still book them in. All the details are there. I'm going to put their name in and their mobile number. So you have to take a name and a mobile number. That's the most important information. And if you just click in this box below, if you want to, you can put landlines, emails, and it has got a full Royal Mail postcode search included in there. It's great if you actually go and collect vehicles or you deliver vehicles around. And if you want to put notes and quotes in, you can, but that is the simple point. And then just scroll down to the bottom and click book in. That is the one thing that every single garage that wants to move forward has to do. There is nothing technical. You don't need to know anything about computers. You don't need to have any, technological prowess. That simple process. If you book every single car into your MOT Manager software every day, as you can see, there is no barrier whatsoever to stopping you from doing that. That starting point, that becomes a habit. There are so many benefits you will get because your MOT reminders are going to be automated. It's going to bring up advisories from the last MOT, which gives you a check sheet if, say, it's coming in for a service. When you're doing a service, we can queue a service reminder for the next 6 or 12 months. All their details are going to be recorded in your software. When they get their MOT reminder, you can have it so they can book their MOT online on their phone. And it goes on and on and on. And over your time using the MOT Manager software, you will see all these benefits, many of which can be automated if you just commit to that one thing, booking everyone into the digital diary every day. That's task 1. That's the starting point. That's all you need to commit to. So this is episode 65. Thank you so much. Some of you have been watching right the way from episode 1. And like I say, I will mix it up a little bit with stuff that you might not be doing with the software yet. Lots of new features on the horizon as well, so we can start looking at those. And also my message, my constant message about the importance of getting started with MOT Manager. We include all techs and all lookups. We are free of credits with our software, so we give you one fixed monthly fee. We offer incredible value to you, and that means that you have unlimited use to go and explore how much this can work and help your business. So get your free demo booked in. That's all I'm saying. Get a free demo. Let's see if we can get you on to that first task, and I look forward to speaking to you and hopefully working with you soon.